It has the ability to be dynamic, so you are using agonist and antagonist muscles, meaning there's muscles that move your arm out and you have a separate set of muscles that move your arm back in. Well, when you can strengthen both at the same time, well, number one, you have half the time you have to spend doing a workout. Number two, you have increased flexibility, so you're hitting your yoga issues. So you can be building muscle, building core strength, and getting some of the benefits of yoga right off the bat with one device that is easy to carry and handle and move around and makes your life a lot easier to get the job done in a short period of time and effectively and quickly. When you're bringing something out and bringing it back in, you have proprioception in your joints, giving you position sense and training your brain methodically to fire evenly and be in a controlled state. And it's the perfect workout.